across the sun-drenched plains of Africa, a creature of striking beauty and resilient spirit roams free. Instantly recognizable by their bold, black and white stripes, zebras are more than just a pretty pattern. This is the story of their lives, a tale of family bonds, constant vigilance, and the enduring struggle for survival in a challenging world. Stripes and survival. A zebra's life. Life begins within the close-knit family unit, called a harem. Led by a dominant stallion, a harem typically consists of several mares and their foals. For a newborn zebra, the first few moments are crucial. Within minutes of birth, the wobbly foal must learn to stand and follow its mother. This rapid development is vital for survival in an environment where predators are never far away. The bond between a mother and her foal is incredibly strong. The mare's unique stripe pattern acts as a visual identifier, helping her offspring recognize her within the bustling herd. For many months, the foal will stay close to its mother's side, learning essential survival skills: what to eat, where to find water, and how to react to danger. As they grow, young zebras become increasingly independent, forming playful groups within the safety of the herd. These interactions are crucial for developing social skills and establishing their place within the complex social structure. They learn to communicate through a variety of barks, brays, and snorts, each carrying a different meaning. Diet plays a vital role in a zebra's life. Primarily grazers, they spend much of their day foraging for grasses. Their strong teeth and digestive systems are perfectly adapted to process tough vegetation. Zebras often share their grazing lands with other herbivores, such as wildebeest and gazelles, sometimes forming massive mixed herds for increased protection. Perhaps the most iconic feature of the zebra is its striking coat of black and white stripes. For centuries, scientists have debated the purpose of these patterns. While they don't offer camouflage in the traditional sense, the stripes are believed to serve several important functions. One leading theory suggests that the stripes help to confuse predators, particularly lions. When a herd of zebras is on the move, the moving stripes can create a visual illusion, making it difficult for a predator to single out an individual target. Another theory proposes that the stripes play a role in social recognition, allowing zebras to identify each other within the herd. Finally, recent research suggests that the stripes may even help to deter biting insects. Life for a zebra revolves around the rhythms of the savanna. Days are spent grazing, often moving long distances in search of fresh pasture and water sources. Access to water is critical, and zebras will often congregate at watering holes, always remaining vigilant for potential threats. The harem structure, with its dominant stallion, provides a degree of order and protection. The stallion defends his mares and offspring from rival males and potential predators. However, life in a harem isn't always peaceful. Young males, upon reaching maturity, will eventually leave or be driven out of their natal groups and may attempt to challenge established stallions for dominance. The African savanna is a dangerous place, and zebras are a primary food source for many predators. Lions, leopards, hyenas, and wild dogs all pose a constant threat. Survival depends on a combination of keen senses, speed, and effective group defense. When danger approaches, zebras rely on their excellent eyesight and hearing to detect threats early. Their alarm calls can alert the entire herd. When pursued, they can reach impressive speeds and possess remarkable stamina. If cornered, zebras will fiercely defend themselves, kicking and biting at their attackers. The close-knit nature of the herd also offers protection in numbers, making it harder for predators to isolate a vulnerable individual. Despite their resilience, zebras face increasing challenges in the modern world. Habitat loss, due to agricultural expansion and human settlements, is fragmenting their populations and limiting their access to vital resources. In some areas, they are also targeted by poachers for their meat and hides. There are three main species of zebra: the plains zebra, the Gravy's zebra, and the mountain zebra. While plain zebras are currently the most numerous, gravy zebras and mountain zebras face significant conservation challenges and are listed as endangered or vulnerable. Conservation efforts, including habitat protection and anti-poaching initiatives, are crucial to ensure the long-term survival of these iconic animals. The life of a zebra is a testament to the power of adaptation and the importance of community. As the sun stretches its first rays across this vast landscape, a familiar sight begins to emerge from the shadows: the iconic black and white stripes of the zebra. But there is far more to these magnificent creatures than meets the eye. From the moment they take their first wobbly steps to the enduring myths that have followed them for centuries. The most prominent theory is that those stripes serve as a remarkable defense mechanism. As a herd gallops across the plains, their individual stripes create a dazzling optical illusion. This motion dazzle makes it incredibly difficult for predators like lions and hyenas to single out one zebra from the group. It's a case of strength in numbers, where their collective pattern becomes a wall of confusion. For a long time, many believed that the black stripes absorbed the heat while the white stripes reflected it, creating tiny air currents that kept our bodies cool. It was a compelling theory, and even modern science has explored it. While the stripes do have a minor effect on temperature, recent studies have shown that the primary benefit is not about keeping cool. Instead, it's about keeping something else away entirely. Research suggests that the zebra's stripes are a remarkably effective deterrent against biting flies, such as the notorious tsetse fly. These flies are vectors for dangerous diseases, and they struggle to land on the zebra's confusing, striped surface. The stripes disrupt their vision, preventing a clean landing. So, in a way, the stripes are a shield against sickness, a subtle but vital survival tool. A zebra's life is a journey of constant learning and survival. A foal can stand within minutes of its birth and begins to run with the herd within an hour. This rapid development is crucial in a world filled with predators. As they grow, they learn the migration routes, the watering holes, and the warning calls of other animals. The herd is their school, and their elders are their teachers. The life of a zebra is defined by movement. They are constantly searching for fresh grazing grounds and water. This is why you often see them migrating with other animals, like wildebeest. This grand parade of life across the savanna is one of the world's most spectacular natural events. So, the next time you see a zebra, remember that their stripes are more than just a beautiful pattern. They are a testament to their resilience, their cleverness, and their enduring place in the circle of life. They are a story of survival, written in black and white against the endless canvas of the African plains. From the moment they take their first wobbly steps to the constant vigilance required to survive in a predator-rich landscape, their lives are a delicate balance between beauty and hardship. As we continue to encroach upon their wild spaces, it is our responsibility to ensure that future generations can witness the timeless spectacle of these magnificent striped creatures roaming free across the African plains. Until next time, see you soon on World Screechers Chronicles.